This is your first real tattoo, so you should want to document this. You know what I mean?
Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Amill and Britt. And what's your name? What's your name?
What's your name? Jamie.
Jamie. All right, guys. Today
is Monday.
Today is Monday. So today we're gonna be tattooing Amill. I'm gonna be tattooing Amill. We got the stencil on. All right, let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
I don't know if I want to do this upside down.
What?
Yes.
That's freaking weird. You're just coloring in the line.
I can't. I don't think I can do that.
Whoa.
I don't think I can do it upside down. This
Bro,
is only tattoo number
what
2.
the fuck am I supposed to do? This?
Yes, and I can't even draw.
What? That's not right. What, you want me to stand up while you tattoo me? I can't do
Why is
it.
he so dramatic? Difficult client, number 1.
Oh, come on. I'm difficult because I don't want to be bent over backwards with my arms shoved in the air.
Let's sit down. Let's figure it out.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You already started
No,
with me.
okay, listen. All right, listen. Can I? This is a real tip. Okay, real tip.
What's the real tip?
Okay, the real tip is this. Vaseline is good, but too much Vaseline is fatal to the needle because the Vaseline gets into that channel and it'll clog it, okay? And so then you'll just be poking holes for nothing.
All right,
So,
come on.
no, let me explain
It's
something.
like Vaseline.
So you just want it to have a film, just a very slight grease film on it, not
Well,
like
you look rather greasy to me, my love.
Yeah, not as greasy as this hair on your arm. Too light, my love. Too light. You're gonna have to go a little harder than that. You need to feel that vibration, okay? Straight up and down, mommy. You want that needle to be straight up and down into the skin. Okay, we're gonna jump to the next. Okay, all right. Cool, bro.
Okay, this is perfect.
Is it?
Yes.
I'm glad that you feel that's perfect. You jumped in real confident. I love it. You don't want to stop and pick back up. That's a bad thing to do. Okay? Pressure, mama. Keep that pressure down. Because you can really pull that skin tight around that wrist, babe. You really have to.
But I don't even have
Which is possible. Okay. And just look, mark off a little section of your head and then fill it in. Yep. Small, tiny, tight circles.
Oh my goodness, so this is going very interesting. I don't have any trust in myself whatsoever, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. I think in the end it's gonna look okay. What do you think, Ben?
I think it's gonna look great. This is your second tattoo.
My second.
Ever. And it's massive. It is
huge.
a huge undertaking.
Yeah,
Huge.
it is huge.
Tons of shading, tons of line work. It's the perfect crash course. You're gonna come out of this with so much knowledge and so much like experience just from one tattoo.
All right, we're halfway through. We got 3 more
You wanna
letters.
show it?
Yeah.
We're gonna wipe it down. That's what it looks like. Is that good?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
Every once in a while, mommy goes for broke on the line and she's just like taking it. I want you to hit my light.
I don't want. I just.
See, Danny.
I don't want Evie to
Be
start.
serious, man.
I don't want Evie to start in my pieces. I just want to keep
Dope.
them.
Yes, I love it. I'm so happy.
Stop!
I'm so happy.
Stop! Hey,
It's
Bill.
defining.
Yes.
It's a defining tattoo for sure. So, how do you feel about your first real tattoo? In fact, like your first tattoo outside of this little signature here.
I don't know. It's kind of interesting to see like my work on somebody's body.
There you go.
It's so interesting.
Such a weird angle to,
Yes.
to like show to a camera.
And I see all the imperfections.
Of course you do, but I mean, I don't see imperfections. All I see is perfection. It's beautiful. I love it.
Yay, thanks for letting me tattoo you, babe.
Thanks for doing it, babe. I've always wanted somebody to tattoo me other than me. It's so good, and it sits so straight in my arm.
Dawn breaks, it's a 11:15. Start the day just the way that it is. Light streaming through the cracks in the curtain. Sparks dancing off the cover of my bed.